The truck world is changing faster than ever before. 2026 is not just another model year. It is a turning point. A year where power, technology, luxury, efficiency, and raw capability finally collide. The trucks of 2026 are no longer just work machines. They are rolling showcases of innovation, brute strength, intelligence, and futuristic design. Every major manufacturer has gone all in, creating machines that are smarter, faster, stronger, and more luxurious than anything we have ever seen before. This is the year where buying the wrong truck could cost you thousands, while choosing the right one could give you unmatched performance, reliability, and satisfaction for years to come. Whether you care about towing, off-roading, daily comfort, fuel efficiency, technology, or raw horsepower, the trucks of 2026 deliver on every front. But not all trucks deserve your money. Only a select few truly stand out. These are the trucks that redefine what a modern pickup should be. These are the trucks that dominate the road, the job site, and the highway. These are the only trucks worth buying in 2026. The moment you look at these machines, you instantly feel the evolution. Aggressive front fascia, razor-sharp LED lighting, massive grilles, sculpted hoods, muscular fenders, and aerodynamic body lines combine to create road presence that is impossible to ignore. Every angle screams authority. Every curve is designed to cut through air more efficiently. Every detail serves a purpose. The design language of 2026 trucks blends bold American muscle with futuristic precision, resulting in machines that look just as powerful standing still as they do at full throttle. Under those sculpted hoods lies an entirely new generation of engines. Turbocharged V6 powerplants now outperform yesterday's version 8S. Hybrid systems deliver insane torque with remarkable efficiency. Fully electric drivetrains unleash instant acceleration that feels unreal for vehicles of this size. Horsepower numbers have crossed unbelievable territory, while torque figures reach levels that were once reserved for heavy-duty industrial equipment. These trucks are not just powerful. They are brutally powerful. Acceleration is instant. Throttle response is razor-sharp. Power delivery is smooth, controlled, and relentless. Whether merging onto the highway, overtaking slower traffic, or hauling heavy loads uphill, these trucks perform with complete confidence. Advanced transmissions with lightning-fast shifts ensure that every ounce of power is delivered precisely when it is needed. Intelligent traction systems constantly monitor road conditions, distributing torque to each wheel for maximum grip and stability. Towing capability in 2026 has reached a whole new dimension. Advanced chassis engineering, reinforced frames, and cutting-edge suspension systems allow these trucks to tow massive loads effortlessly. Smart towing technology makes hooking up trailers easier than ever, with multiple camera angles, automatic hitch alignment, and real-time weight distribution monitoring. The trucks actively adjust braking, throttle, and steering inputs to maintain stability, even with extreme loads. This level of intelligence transforms towing from a stressful task into a smooth, controlled experience. Payload capacity is equally impressive. These trucks are built to work hard, day after day, without compromise. Heavy-duty bed materials resist dents and scratches. Built-in cargo management systems keep tools and equipment secure. Power outlets in the bed allow you to run tools directly from the truck. Hidden storage compartments provide additional versatility. Every inch of the bed is designed for real-world utility. Off-road capability is nothing short of astonishing. Advanced four-wheel drive systems, locking differentials, adaptive air suspensions, and terrain management modes allow these trucks to conquer mud, sand, snow, rocks, and steep inclines with ease. Massive all-terrain tires grip the surface with authority. High ground clearance and reinforced skid plates protect vital components. Underbody cameras provide real-time visuals of obstacles beneath the truck, allowing precise navigation in extreme conditions. These machines are unstoppable, capable of venturing far beyond paved roads and deep into rugged landscapes. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The interiors of 2026 trucks rival luxury sedans and high-end SUVs. Premium leather upholstery, genuine wood and brushed metal accents, and meticulously crafted stitching create an atmosphere of sophistication and comfort. Massive digital displays dominate the dashboard, seamlessly blending infotainment, navigation, performance data, and driver assistance systems into one cohesive interface. The driver-focused cockpit places every control exactly where it should be. Steering wheels feature touch-sensitive controls and customizable drive modes. Digital instrument clusters display crisp, high-resolution graphics that adapt to driving conditions. Head-up displays project critical information directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Ambient lighting bathes the cabin in customizable hues, creating a relaxing and immersive environment. Comfort reaches extraordinary levels. Heated and ventilated seats with massage functionality transform long drives into effortless journeys. Multi-zone climate control ensures that every passenger enjoys personalized comfort. Active noise cancellation systems eliminate unwanted road and engine noise, delivering a serene cabin experience. Panoramic glass roofs flood the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and openness. Technology in these trucks is truly next generation. Artificial intelligence-driven systems learn your driving habits and preferences, automatically adjusting settings to suit your style. Voice-controlled assistants respond instantly, allowing you to control navigation, climate, entertainment, and vehicle functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Over-the-air updates continuously improve performance, efficiency, and features, ensuring your truck stays cutting-edge throughout its lifespan. Safety has reached unprecedented heights. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and 360-degree camera systems. These trucks constantly analyze their surroundings, predicting potential hazards and reacting in milliseconds to prevent accidents. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities reduce fatigue during long highway journeys, making travel safer and more relaxing. Hybrid and electric powertrains are revolutionizing the segment. Hybrid trucks combine the raw strength of traditional engines with the efficiency of electric motors, delivering incredible torque while dramatically reducing fuel consumption. Fully electric trucks offer jaw-dropping acceleration, near-silent operation, and zero emissions, proving that sustainability does not require sacrificing performance. Massive battery packs provide extended driving range, while ultra-fast charging systems allow rapid replenishment, minimizing downtime. Charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, making electric truck ownership more practical than ever. Intelligent route planning systems automatically calculate charging stops, optimizing travel time. Regenerative braking systems recapture energy, further extending range. These advancements position electric trucks as serious contenders for both daily driving and heavy-duty tasks. Design excellence continues inside the cargo bed. Power-operated tailgates, multi-function tailgate configurations, integrated steps, and deployable work surfaces enhance convenience and accessibility. Built-in LED lighting illuminates the bed at night, turning it into a mobile workstation. Weather-resistant bed liners protect against harsh conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. Durability and reliability remain central priorities. Advanced metallurgy, reinforced structural components, and rigorous testing standards ensure these trucks withstand extreme environments and heavy workloads. Improved corrosion resistance, sealed electrical systems, and advanced cooling technologies extend longevity, reducing maintenance costs and maximizing resale value. Fuel efficiency has improved dramatically. Advanced combustion techniques, aerodynamic enhancements, lightweight materials, and intelligent power management systems work together to deliver impressive mileage figures. Even high-performance models achieve efficiency levels once thought impossible for vehicles of this size. Hybrid variants push these gains even further, offering exceptional range and reduced operating costs. The driving experience is nothing short of breathtaking. Adaptive suspensions automatically adjust damping and ride height, providing a smooth ride on highways and firm control on rugged terrain. Precise steering systems deliver excellent feedback and confidence. Braking performance is exceptional, with massive disc brakes and advanced brake-by-wire systems ensuring consistent stopping power under all conditions. Every detail of these trucks is engineered to deliver maximum impact. From the satisfying click of door handles to the precise weight of steering inputs, nothing is left to chance. Build quality feels solid and premium, instilling confidence from the first moment behind the wheel. These trucks are built not just to perform, but to inspire. Customization options are more extensive than ever. Buyers can tailor their trucks to exact preferences, choosing from multiple engine configurations, drivetrain setups, suspension packages, wheel designs, interior themes, and technology packages. This level of personalization ensures that every truck feels uniquely yours. Connectivity is seamless. Wireless smartphone integration, cloud-based navigation, real-time traffic updates, and remote vehicle monitoring allow complete control from anywhere. Mobile apps enable remote start, climate preconditioning, charging management, security alerts, and vehicle diagnostics, putting full command at your fingertips. Sustainability initiatives are deeply integrated into manufacturing processes. Recycled materials, eco-friendly production techniques, and reduced carbon footprints reflect a commitment to environmental responsibility. These efforts ensure that performance and sustainability advance together, shaping a cleaner automotive future. In real-world conditions, these trucks excel across every metric. City driving is smooth and refined. Highway cruising is stable and comfortable. Off-road exploration is confident and controlled. Heavy hauling feels effortless. No matter the environment, these machines adapt instantly, delivering consistent excellence. The emotional impact of driving a 2026 truck is profound. The commanding driving position, the surge of acceleration, the deep, refined engine tones, and the seamless integration of technology create an experience that is both exhilarating and deeply satisfying. Every journey feels special. Every mile reinforces the sense that you are driving something truly exceptional. Market competition has never been fiercer. Manufacturers are pushing boundaries, innovating at record speed, and redefining standards. This intense rivalry benefits buyers, resulting in trucks that deliver unmatched value, capability, and sophistication. Yet among all the choices, only a few models truly rise above the rest. These elite trucks combine power, technology, design, comfort, and reliability into perfectly balanced machines. They offer outstanding long-term ownership experiences, strong resale values, and industry-leading warranties. They are engineered not just for today, but for the demands of tomorrow. For professionals, these trucks represent productivity, efficiency, and dependability. For enthusiasts, they deliver excitement, performance, and adventure. For families, they provide comfort, safety, and versatility. This universal appeal makes them the ultimate all-purpose vehicles. As the automotive world transitions toward electrification and advanced automation, the trucks of 2026 stand as remarkable milestones in engineering evolution. They bridge the gap between traditional mechanical strength and futuristic digital intelligence, creating vehicles that feel both familiar and revolutionary. Choosing the right truck in 2026 is about more than specifications. It is about selecting a machine that aligns with your lifestyle, ambitions, and expectations. It is about investing in a vehicle that will serve you faithfully, perform relentlessly, and inspire confidence every single day. These are not just trucks. They are statements. They represent freedom, strength, innovation, and progress. They embody the spirit of exploration, the drive for excellence, and the pursuit of perfection. If you must buy a truck in 2026, these are the only ones worth your money. Machines that deliver breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, unmatched capability, and exceptional value. Trucks that redefine what is possible. Trucks that stand at the very peak of automotive engineering. And as the road stretches endlessly ahead, one thing becomes clear. The future of trucks has arrived. It is more powerful, more intelligent, and more extraordinary than ever before.